Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwantwumadi so ana yede Ghana Man's presentation etime sabre na no penso ka kire busuafo na hofo yere ma wofasefo na nanom ukunum no mpranfo na so bia metra TV nanim na yemfa nkomo etinja medin the Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back pe the only nomenclature of professors degree in sports the Alrich na Wallace the nation's presenter and amazing kunyana me kono kwanten kode small do ensaka na no penso e wo Ghana agudim etinja channel so ma msanyuma kun emiensa one expert I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa bet they try before din befu twa ne kuma bia din kuma sa no manum and intimate bia wo bia modern that sort of betin sa jime one expert na mum bet with money that you can afford to lose sikaira enya ya no eno ani edi twa bet but modern that we na china so bet there one expert je fast mr do tatahwi infections do gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so depo na tetewa on set me kan je fast akọ herbal shops ne pharmaceutical shops ne mu a on sabitia kabi to na afemwa proper wakrawa na omna bo mountain de nchine che je fast do abene bruta on set me kan bia ebebo pa sedimo gel and roll your ultimate pain relieving gel fisa abria akode modern da eduro ba ko 2 hours no sedimo gel and roll on odo ne kire ashama me market an sabitia kabi na fenso tema enye na hokra obetia friend pen 02082199129 na on sedimo gel and roll on phone pen for yentwetwe komo yenhwemwa emaniama 1822 informa madama wo me na etachira abo me no pen so de wo kan se un sempa en sakan so atimi agam a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with the very first step yen chance emfa fi copa del rey semi-finals akensi etwensa to dwa no Real Madrid for and a transfer Barcelona for etwa makabakwa o mantimi anti Hemwa na se na nyame adoma Real Sociedad ne card is basis akana for china memeda on the 4th of March no ane Christina Chu on week no Getafe beton se da fe Girona no ma shesi akan Ameria beton se da fe Villarreal na fe Mallorca any LH basis akan Atletico Madrid any Sevilla ane de bebo so e won na fe kwaseda ye kwa sori ba Real Madrid Valladolid wo mo any Espanyol ne basis akan fe Barcelona any Valencia de akensi na tiambo so Real Vallecano e beton se da fe Atletico Bernabeu na fe Real Betis ni Real Madrid enso e de aboso na fe akensi ba ko be kansensemu dwada no Osasuna any Celta Vigo eno 6th of March ana sakens kese no ebetimi asanto 50 Ghana's Independent Day no necessary match na 18 asanto famienko Italian Serie A akensi etun so etun pm dia na se memeda Empoli beton sira fe Napoli the battle between the Oli four no and also ebetimi Barcelona Feliz etun sira fe Sassuolo na fe omu dia akensi na boso na fe kweseda Bologna etun sira fe Inter Milan na fe so Salernitana womo ene Monza bishisi akana fe Udinese former Emmanuel Ajimanpedu dada kodwa samomu tim no omne Spezia de akensi ne betia boso AC Milan ene Atalanta bishia AC akan e honum na fe Dwada Hellas Verona eton se da fe Fiorentina na fe Lazio ene Sampdoria fonso e de akensi ne etini aboso e honum quickly entry in Fanche Germany Bundesliga League nim matches na e ba so ne fiade ya uhwema Borussia Dortmund beton se da fe RB Leipzig no ma shesi akana fe memeda FC Union Berlin ene FC Cologne be shesi akana Mainz 05 to se da fe 1899 Hoffenheim na omde abos Borussia Mönchengladbach beton se da fe Freiburg na fe FC Augsburg beton se da fe Werder Bremen na omashesi akana VfL Bochum beton se da fe FC Schalke 04 na fe so VfB Stuttgart ene Bayern Munich ne be shesi akana ehonum na fe kweseda Bayern 04 Leverkusen beton se da fe Hertha Berlin na fe VfL Wolfsburg ene Eintracht Frankfurt so e de o makesi ne etini aboso yenko French Ligue 1 hon abekọ no na se French matches no enso 18 cp me ya unutimi anka abeka say nice but a nice omne oze ana ebechesi akana fe memeda Lens beton se da fe Lille Metropole na omachesi akana Paris Saint-Germain beton se da fe Nantes no so de akensi na tiam pem so Troyes eton se da fe Monaco eno ekwese da akensi na fe Montpellier omne Angers bechesi akana Reims eton se da fe Ajaccio Strasbourg eton se da fe Brest na omachesi akana fe Toulouse ene Clermont-Foot na bebo so Lyon ebeton se da fe Lorient na fe so Rennes eto sa e de afre Marseille na omso de akensi ne etia boso on we French League 1 hona abekọ ne de French abon PC team sampa ni die no ed ne pa but ni nam no matches na eto FC kama ed husanso ebetia piem nyina no ebetimi asa bejaw ene yenkom today in Ghana's month na uhwem ne sana nyema esie kono dia na se Margaret Simpson ene Ghana athlete ya say o Ghana's heptathlon na our queen our conquer African continent ni na eche ne bobre pa ono ene nei yesane manane na afi so kwa no yetu chema no na etwa ne purusen e wo dwumadi a odim in the Ghana month e wo Adom TV so
Margaret Simpson ye Ghana ni Oyemirikatunia wajia basobodie pi ama Ghana ewa monone obiye nim Simpson ewa ni modern ba wobo ewa dadia wotso ewa agopramaso die brofo kasemu ye beka na javelin record awonu ankasa edi ato wa ma ne ho 56.36 meters ya obiya entimi engine free nsem asembisa ne se afempinu ne dum ye no mu Summer Olympics ena Margaret Simpson etwe ne ho free sa adwumedie ne ho edi benti ena ama na entimi anto aso biem kwa ba for 10 times so www.adomonline.com na kwakan abakosemu a ewo Margaret Simpson ho yinsemu ebebusa wona no na achedie bebre wo hode ma.
Inti Margaret Simpson yeka athlete ba kwa otimi sampa na oto ede magana dia na se wadi mu akwetene pa Africa de okonka obibia ana nei ono na yetu chede ama no. Margaret Simpson ba bia obia no we celebrate you this morning in the month of Ghana. Na me adom ede ko no betia Santos director of African Association of FIFA urade din ene Gelson Fernandez ono so de nkomo hakretia sa ba se infrastructure de asa abo Africa tesena eye intesu abo ensem na afi so kra na nwi entimi mfu tekrema so no sa pepe ana etimi aye
infrastructure within the country for the youth. If we want to compete at the highest level, we need an appropriate technical center. I think the president is aware of that, and the whole executive committee and the whole federation. For us, it's not easy. That requests investment, because without this, it's very difficult. I think the kids in this country deserve that opportunity, that platform. We all want and would love to have a strong league here in Ghana, which is not easy, and we there need also the clubs to have a better structure. But you know, in terms of capacity building, I think there is also things we can do from an administrative part to lead football in this country. So this is things where when I come back in office in Paris, this is things I will analyze and see what are the next steps. And where we can keep helping the federation to develop, because we want our federations, when they go to the World Cup or when they go to African Nation Cup, to shine. And for this, it needs preparation, but it also needs stability, you know, because if you start something and every time you have to restart again, this is not good. The country is not having a nice moment.
And the director of African Association of FIFA, friend said Gelson Fernandez, and I'll can say Obestra Ghana Football Association, Trinity friend said JFE. Now, all this uncommon age infrastructure, the ultimate sample, Leu, and Kuyi, our Ghana cry, no, and Mama Youth Development, Yama 18 to ye. Young called the 13th African Games, I friend say Accra 2023. Now, Accra 2023, me sure says it's the best son, I and Accra 2024 is and say, ho, and ye pian than Aquachas in Yadoma, it is such ridiculous and a bit and sometimes. So, Dr. Kokufu Sasai, Eden Kumoha Council, at me about Sanchi home.
We've had about 2 or 3 telephone discussions. I've had 2 or 3 telephone discussions with him, and he promised to make sure that we have some of the sporting disciplines as qualifiers for the Olympics. Remember, 2024 will be the Olympic year, and we will have the Paris 2024. And so when we met in Addis last week, the president directed, as I told you last week, that we should dovetail our plans into the plans, the games, the needed value. The athletes will also, top athletes will want to participate. It will also assist in the marketing of
Enti ni abana no Dr. Kokufu Sasai local organizing committee tibere kese ana atene kan se nei ohwe eye Accra 2024 dwumadi ebetian sa to dwana ya to munchine ye the athletes ni bia kan wana se disciplines bia kan wa ye hwe nim se ebetian sa koye e dia ma oman Ghana ye fa ni chire haso fufu akache na no ada omotran kan wese ne Mexico sa na nya ni kakura na eno ana eye supporters chairman din ene Elvis Herman Hesi wode nkomo hakretian sa ba se omo hwe nim se ombetian san sisi omu fi yesanse nyame adoma eye kwesiada ebe no omo ehwe nim se omne eye kotoko ebesan ede eye league match aboso na sa league match na san cup match ewo dwumedi e first president cup nim na Elvis nkoma ode ageni
comments that are always passed by club owners and management.
Okay.
If you are the owner of the club, okay, you can even assume it belongs to the supporters because without them, you are not there. So some comments, as you my supporters now go very far. So this one is just an appeal to club owners, to managers. And when we are also employing club administrators, especially CEOs, it is not about age. We should employ experienced people.
That's right.
The reason why I'm saying we should employ experienced people is that if you bring somebody like Mr. Aka to Kotoko or Accra Hearts of Oak as a CEO, with a vast experience in football, he knows how to manage the supporters and then the club affairs. But when you bring people who don't have knowledge at all, some people can also work when they don't have knowledge in football, though. But it be too business oriented.
Yeah.
Or more bad, they feel say, oh, they say corner, we will have a problem.
Incidents Elvis Hermanesi and Odin Komo Tiensan to Jananada or Asempe FM Sports Dialogue Nasan or the Sanchez to create Sabai. Now Yanko Street, Nafia Fed in Tiensan or Ghana Premier League, Yamiadoma, week 20, first just a bit in St. P. Fina, copying question any day. Maybe I go, maybe I should be busy. No more cross positive, no. A House of Folk versus Kumase as an Oko, your Hesson and Yama, ABC Ako, Ewo, Nyama, Ebasui. Now, Shannon Sumam second fast and great Olympics, the Beboso. Now, Dreams Football Club, Necarella Football Club, now Femeda. Accra House of Folk, the big miner, the Ghana's El Clasico, no, Omani Kumase as Sanagoko and the betting town. So, I can see a cup match winning a Tossum Prince, a House of Folk for Elbow League game. Yes, sir, I had a cup match. It's the President Cup and a Science League feature with 20 and the Baboso. Tamale City Beton said a fair Accra and Snowmashi and Strataman and Kudokura species, Kana Filigon cities. Omni real Tamale United, their Bosona for summer test, and Adriana Stars at the Baboso, Omuju Media, Omujinafi, Bechem United versus Gold Stars, Media Sporting Club, Okotakwa, Womo and Chelsea, and a Ebichesia kind of matches. I would be between Pim or week 20. Medusia, na Madawase. Na match LP na mama mo enehwe within the profit wala sa good catch back open am gina of course evidence based presentation it meja erade entine ni ma onye okese you fi be ni da so ni na on fan ko be ni da so the act of being a good guest is to know how to say goodbye.